may dinalang sasakyan sa atin, 8 to 10 years old na yung sasakyan, wala nang kintab, may mga konting damages na rin, and 8 to 10 years na rin yung paint protection film. Pero dinala nila sa atin, hoping na mabigyan ng bagong buhay ang kanilang sasakyan. And guys, I am happy to present this new Audi R8. This Audi R8, guys, took us some time kasi we tried our best na i-prepare it ng maayos. Previously, kung napanood niyo yung mga vlogs natin and documentation natin, meron siyang old paint protection film na nakalagay and akala nila kasi nasira na nito yung paint ng sasakyan. Ngayon, dinala nila to dun sa isang shop and unfortunately, hindi nila alam yung process ng removal ng PPF. Kaya I think nilihan nila and na-damage na yung paint. Kaya sabi nung nagdala dito, sabi niya mahirap na gawin yan. Patungan niyo na lang. Kaso, with Wash Authority, as much as we can, gusto natin gawin ng tama. Using our knowledge, we remove the old paint protection film, no, with our techniques. And after nun, guys, na-reveal natin na okay pa rin yung paint niya. And after nun, nag-detail lang tayo ng kaunti and the client opted for a black paint protection film kasi medyo may konting pagka-gray itong Audi na to para mas maging matapang yung dating. And of course, you know, black paint protection film, may self-healing capability siya. And napaka-kinang talaga niya. Talagang pure black siya. And guys, pakita ko lang, meron din tayong nilagay ng mga konting details dito. For example, here, itong paint protection film na to, this is carbon paint protection film. No? And guys, here, yung part na unfortunately, no, naliha before, no, nung tinatry nilang tanggalin yung paint protection film, now it has been restored again. So sobrang parang walang nangyari, guys. Naka-black PPF na rin siya, even the lights, guys. And then guys, here pa, papakita ko sa inyo. Na-request din ni client na palagyan ng carbon paint protection film sa loob ng pinto niya. Meron mga konting details na talagang mas nagpaganda dito sa Audi R8 na to. And grabe, guys. I think, to be honest, medyo speechless ako kasi mukha talaga siyang brand new. Mukha talaga siyang brand new and pinaghirapan talaga to ng buong team ng Wash Authority. And dinocument namin to kasi gusto lang namin ipakita yung capability natin at sa mga sasakyan, sa mga projects, and yun naman yung passion natin to protect cars, to make cars shine, and to bring new life sa mga minamahal nating sasakyan. So guys, I'm happy to present to you the new Audi R8. If you want more of this content, guys, I hope you follow us on YouTube, on Facebook, and on our page, Wash Authority. Guys, dahil sobrang happy namin sa project na to, gagawan din namin siya ng montage. And maybe maunang lumabas yung vlog na to or yung montage, but please make sure to follow Wash Authority para mapanood ninyo. And again, guys, this is Boss Gene. I'm really happy na na-document ko yung process na to. And sana may mga nasagot ako sa mga questions nyo with paint protection film in general, sa services namin sa Wash Authority, and we just love transforming cars. Again, guys, this is Boss Gene. Thank you for watching, and see you again. Bye.